So in this video, we're going to be working with the law of sine. Right? The law of sine is a law that we can use to find the values of the angle. So I can use this law when I know the measure of two angles and a side, or two sides and the not included angle. So the first one says find each measure indicated using the law of sine. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So let's name this one A. So I have sine of 21 over A equals sine 130 over 30. So I'm going to cross multiply. So I have 30 sine of 21 equals A sine of 130. And then I'm going to divide by sine of 130 on both sides. 130 on both sides. Right? So A equals. I'm going to go to my calculator to find that this one is 14. That's it. When you're using this on your calculator, it's important that you check through mode that you have your calculators in degrees, right? So you have the answer. Next one, again, BC, let's name it A, right? So again, I have sine of 25 divided by the opposite side equals sine of 88 divided by the opposite side, so 26. I'm going to cross multiply. 26 times sine of 25 equals A sine of 88. And now I'm just dividing by sine of 88 on both sides. So A equals 11. So this one doesn't draw the triangles so we can see it better. So I have angle A, B, and C. So the opposite is C, so it's the opposite to angle C. This is 10. Angle A is 67. This is 78. Right? And I want to find B. So B is this side right here. This is B. Right, so in this case, I want to find first the measure of this angle. So by knowing that 67 plus 78 plus the measure of C is 180, I can find that this angle right here is 35 degrees. 35 degrees. So I have sine of 35 divided by 10 equals sine of 78 divided by B. I'm going to cross multiply again. B of times sine of 35 equal 10 times sine of 78. And I'm going to divide by sine of 35. So B equals, again, going to my calculator, is 17.1. Okay, so number 4. We can go directly without the triangle. So I have sine of 79. So it's sine of angle C. So that means that it's going to be over C equals 18 equals of to sine of B over 10, right? So I'm going to multiply times 10 on both sides. So I have the sine of B equals 10 times sine of 79 divided by 18, right? We can simplify, right? Or we'll just go directly to my calculator. So remember that now, because I'm finding the angle. That means that I need to find the inverse function of sine of 79 divided by 18, right? So I'm just going to my calculator to find this one. So in this case, this is 30 degrees. Next one, again, I have angle A and side A angles. I'm looking for C. So I can just go directly to sine of 71 divided by 27 equals sine of angle C divided by 4. I'm going to cross multiply again. So 4 sine of 71, or multiply times 4 on both sides instead of cross multiplying. 27 equals sine of C. So the measure of angle C equals the inverse function of sine of 4 sine of 71 divided by 27. In this case, the measure of angle C is 8.1 degrees. Okay, now I want to solve each triangle. So when they're asking you to solve a triangle, that means that I want to find all the values of all the variables or the information that I'm missing. So I'm missing this angle, right? By the triangle angle sum theorem, I know that that angle is 61. Now I want to find B and I want to find A. So sine of 54 over 25 equals sine of 65 over A. And now I'm gonna cross multiply, so A times sine of 54 equals 25 sine of 65 divided by sine of 54. So A equals, and we're just going to a calculator to find that this is 28 miles, right? Now I'm going to use this same ratio for finding B. So sine of 54 over 25 equals sine of 61 over B. And now we're just going to cross multiply. B times sine of 54 equals 25 sine of 61. Sine of 54. So B equals 27 miles. So again, this one, let's do the drawing right here. So A, B, and C. So this is 36. This is 15. And C is 15 yards. Right? So again, by the triangle angle sum theorem, I can find that this angle right here is 129. Right? So this is B, this is A. So I have sine of 36 over A equals sine of 15 over 15. So I'm going to cross multiply 15 sine of 36 equals A sine of 15. Sine of 15. So A equals 34.1 yards. And again, I'm using this same ratio. So sine of 15 over 15 equals sine of 129 over B. Cross multiply, so B sine of 15 equals 15 sine of 129. Sine of 15. So B equals 45 yards. So I have solved that triangle. And that's it for this lesson. May the force be with you.